Doctor, this is kind of fulfills the promise of the technology to some extent, that it's like a software upgrade. And we probably can be fairly confident that it would not be that different in terms of how it works or what the side effect profile. Is that what is allowing us to do this without additional trials?
Yeah, look, I think you're seeing the FDA change its orientation towards the approval of these vaccines, more towards how they view flu vaccines, that they can make extrapolations from the immunogenicity data, the data on the ability of the vaccine to generate an antibody response, and impute from that what the clinical benefit of the vaccine is going to be. Remember, we don't only have data from the ancestral strain. We have obviously tens, hundreds of millions of patient data from the ancestral strain vaccine. Many people receive boosters of that. We also have data from clinical trials involving the vaccine that was developed against B1. We have clinical data from the trials of the vaccine that was developed against Delta, the vaccine that was generated against B117, the vaccine that was generated against the original South African strain. So there's now been multiple vaccines that have been developed, that have been put into clinical development, clinical trials. And FDA is looking across all that data, and they're seeing consistency in terms of their ability to not just see a safety profile that's consistent across those different vaccines, but also be able to impute a clinical benefit based on the immunogenicity data, the antibody response from the vaccine. I think that's what's informing their ability to now move towards this new paradigm that really reflects how they treat flu vaccines.